Okay, everyone. This is Willie. We have two trades that just triggered. Today's Monday, August 6th. You're looking at the Euro US dollar. And I put a sell stop here at 123.82 counter trend trade, 16-point stop. We're trying to get 12 to 20 pips here. We got triggered in the late Asian session. This market went down to 77. So we have a little bit more room or work to go. Also, in addition to this trade, I have another possible sell stop at 123.65. What you're looking here is a possible head and shoulder pattern, where, for example, here's the head. Okay, and I'm going to draw for you the left shoulder. And now we are currently forming the right shoulder. Okay, so at I may be adding to this position. You can see the bottom here is 123.66. I may be adding at 65 or 64 a little bit later on. The second trade that triggered is the British pound US dollar. You can see here my sell stop was 156.08. This has been coming down through most of the Asian session, and right now we're at 156.06. Normally my targets are preset at 20 pips. I have a stop of 19. But for this Frankfurt session and being a Monday, if I can get a dozen pips here, I'll probably take it off the table. So we'll check back in a little while to see how we do. Okay, everybody. It is now an hour and a half since the London market opened, and we just finished 3 trades, all profitable and all counter trend. So let me walk you through. We have 2 trades in the euro dollar. The first trade we triggered during the late Asian session. I had a sell stop here at 132.82, and we targeted 12 pips here because when I enter a trade during the Asian or Frankfurt session, I want to get out and limit out before the London market opens here, which is the corner of the yellow box. Okay, so we got our 12 pips here, and then we also added to the position and another sell stop at 123.61. You can see here we took 15 pips. My original target here was 20, but I'm glad we got out at 15 because you can see price is now cycling back up to almost back to our entry. Okay, our final stop here was 11 pips. I think we started at 19 and then brought it down to 15 and finally minus 11. So we're always trailing our stop to reduce the risk. So we had 2 positive trades here, 12 and then 15 on the second. And then the other trade that we took on the copier is the British pound US dollar. Sell stop at 156.08. This one triggered during Frankfurt, and we quickly, my target was also 15 to 20 pips here, which would have hit because you can see price move down 50 pips. But again, during the the notorious Frankfurt session, I want to get out with 12 pips, and we did. So we have 39 pips among the 3 trades. And let me show you some other trades that we didn't take, but the setups were there. The first one is the euro yen. Similar to the euro dollar, we had a trigger into the Frankfurt session at 97.08, and at the open of London we could have sold the break of the box 96.93. This would have generated at least 10 pips or more. Another trade that we didn't take is the Aussie dollar. Sell stop, the first sell stop's 105.60. The second one is at 54. You can see that price went down to 36, so easily 10 pips for each one on this one, 10 to 15. And finally, the other trade that I didn't take, because we had, we don't want to have too many trades open at the same time, is the Kiwi. Sell stop at 81.78, which is the break of the box. And you can see we have a low of 63. So generally would have gotten your 10 pips here. Okay, so all in all, a good day today on Monday. So I'll see you guys in the room later in the US session tonight. Okay, Arrigo says he has 55 pips so far, and AK is making a lot of pips here, 20 pips here and there, 3 different times.